The studio has multiple reservable spaces for students to book and use. We have an audio suite, video and photography suite. Our audio suite has all the equipment you need to put out a demo or launch a podcast. It features an Apple iMac workstation with Apple Logic Pro, Native Instruments Machine Studio, and Ableton Live in addition to the general studio software package. It also features a multi-source audio interface with 2 microphones already set up, 2 sets of professional headphones, studio monitors, a full-size MIDI keyboard for controlling virtual instruments, and extra audio controllers available to check out for recording. You can view all of our additional equipment under the Equipment tab as well as software on the studio website. You're also free to bring in your own instruments. Our video and photography suite houses an adjustable 3-point lighting system as well as black, white, and green backdrops. We also have cameras available for use with this room, so there's no need to reserve one ahead of time. In here, you can do photo shoots, video interviews, or use the green screen effect for your projects. You're free to bring in any props you may need for your photos and videos. Booking a studio room. From the UTC Library homepage, click the studio link in the left side column. On the studios page, click Space. Choose which suite you'd like to check out and click Reserve Now. Look at the suite's calendar and then select the time slot that you'd like to start your reservation at. You'll then be prompted to select all the hours for your reservation and even give it a title if you like. Reservations can be made 3 times per week, per room, for up to 3 hours at a time. After you have your time selected, a confirmation box will appear. To make any changes to your reservation, you can simply click on the block of time you've reserved. Reservations are held for up to 15 minutes after their specified start time, but are then canceled and made available to others. You're welcome to bring outside collaborators as long as you remain in the room with them during your reservation. We ask that each studio be left the way it was before use, as all of our rooms are shared spaces. This includes trash, props, and anything else you may bring in with you. If you want to use one of our studio suites but think you may need a little help getting started on your project, booking a one-on-one consultation with us is a great way to learn how to use all of the software and equipment available in the suites. So go ahead, book a suite and get creative.